Okie doke, I'm just going to get started right away. Today I'm going to try to do more of a volcano pose. I am at Council Grounds State Park at the shelter house. Okay, I'm going to try to do the goddess pose. Like I said, this is my least favorite pose, trying to keep my shoulders and chest back, not worrying so much about my feet and my legs. My legs are supposed to actually be all the way this way. My goal is to do 4 breaths in each pose. Tree pose. So it starts to go downhill a little bit right there. Trying to get my jaw relaxed. Okay, I think that was 3 poses. The volcano, the goddess pose, the tree pose. I'm going to do warrior. This is, so you're doing like a lunge and then hand forward. I'm trying to get this hip flexor to stretch. My goal is to do 5 yoga poses in nature 5 days a week for 5 months. So that was volcano, goddess pose, tree pose, warrior pose. Now I'm going to do the triangle pose. So it's putting your feet in a V. And I say a V shape, but really it's an A. You know, your legs are spread in a triangle. And then you take your opposite arm to your opposite leg and look up with the hand that is up in the air. So I'm sorry if you can't really see this. And then the way that I form my breath is to breathe into the lower part of the lungs. When you do that, your belly raises out. And then when you breathe out, you actually are pretending that your belly button is being pulled backwards toward your spine. So when you breathe out, you're going, but your tummy is tucking in. And this is giving your core strength. So I did this way, so I'm going to do this way. I'm noticing my feet are not as in much of a teepee shape. So I got some good stretching on the inside of this knee because it wasn't as, spread out. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great night, and I am just going to flip my camera around so you can kind of see the view I was looking at. There's the trees across the parking lot. That tree is really cool. This tree is broken a little bit, and then that tree is broken a little bit. But here is the river and the sunset. Enjoy life, everybody.